Dear children, welcome you to third class in laws of motion, class 9 physics. So it is second law of motion, page number 118 onwards in your textbook. In the first law of motion, we have studied that force makes changes in the direction of a moving body. It also makes the changes in state of rest or motion. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಚಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಲಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? I want to lift the duster. How much force you need to apply? You are doing certain work, lifting a bag or carrying a bag, taking something. So you need to do work. So how much work is to be done? So that needs to be calculated. So that amount of force required in doing a particular work need to be calculated means we need a formula for force. A formula for force is given in the second law of motion given by Isaac Newton. To understand this, we need to know acceleration. We know about acceleration. We shall recall acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. We also write the acceleration as a equal to v minus u by d. Studied in class 8. Where v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and t is the time taken. Now, acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to force, I say. What is the meaning of direct proportional? That means, if more force is applied, more acceleration is produced. It increases simultaneously. If less force is applied, less acceleration is produced. Let us take the example. You know about the accelerators in bike, a car. If you press the accelerator more, that means applying more force. Changing velocity will be more. Definitely, changing velocity will be more. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಧಾನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತದೆ, ಆಗ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ at an instant. So there is a more negative acceleration. Acceleration, that's why directly proportional to force we say. The force ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Or to be more simple, when a batsman hit the ball, ನಿಧಾನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ acceleration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜ್ವರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ acceleration ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ? Definitely applying more force, more acceleration produced. Then acceleration produced in a body is inversely proportional to mass of the body. Take an example. One shot put and a football are kept in the ground. You are blindfolded. You ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಶಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಬಾಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. You will kick both of them with the same force. Which will move further, which will move with more velocity? Shot put may not move further much, but football will move with more velocity. What is indicating? Shot put has more mass. Whatever the force you are applying, that is not sufficient to produce more acceleration. Football has less mass. For the force you have applied, it has got more acceleration. What is the indication? If mass is more, acceleration produced will be less by applying same force. If mass is less, acceleration produced will be more. So this is what we call inversely proportional. Acceleration produced in the inversely proportional to mass. ದ್ರವ್ಯರಾಶಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ acceleration ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, acceleration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now acceleration produced depends on these two things. You combine them. After combining them, you can say acceleration produced depends on force by mass. Or on rearranging, you can write force is proportional to m into a, ma. F is proportional to ma. Force acting on a body is proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. This becomes the second law. According to second law of motion, what do you say? Force acting on a body is directly proportional to the product of mass and acceleration. What is mass? Mass of the body and acceleration produced in it. Now, if this proportional symbol is there, we can't calculate the actual measurements. That's why what we do, unit of force is taken in such a way that if mass of a body is 1 kilogram and if 1 meter per second square acceleration is produced in it, whatever the force applied will be considered as 1 Newton. So that's why proportionality symbol is removed and we write F equal to ma for simple sake. So F equal to ma is the second law of motion, you see. How to define second law? In simple way you can say force acting on a body is a product of mass and acceleration. Product means multiplication, m into a. That is second law of motion. Now we can calculate the force. Let us imagine I have a ball. Let us say some half kg mass. I should produce an acceleration of 2 meter per second square in it. Ball has a mass of half kg. I should produce an acceleration of 2 meter per second square in it. Then how much force I need to apply? Mass of the ball half kg. Acceleration into 2. Half into 2 into. These two will get cancelled. I need to apply a force of 1 unit. So what is the unit of force? Unit of force is Newton, in the honor of Isaac Newton. For force, we have taken the unit as Newton, represented as capital N. So unit of force is 1 Newton now. I have got. Now, by using second law, I am in a position to calculate the force applied on a body. How much force I need to apply to produce required acceleration. I need to produce acceleration in a body means how much force is to be applied. That can be calculated by second law of motion. Second law of motion can also be explained by using rate of change of momentum that we will discuss in the next class.